Habits? What are those? Why do people go crazy about that? Why there are good ones and bad ones? And who decides what is good and bad anyways? Well, that's what I asked myself a few days ago, and that's what I found, so if you're interested, keep watching. Bill Gates, from his early age, spends hours and hours reading. He yearly reads around 50 books and publishes his books recommendation each year. Mark Zuckerberg reads at least a book every 2 weeks. Warren Buffett can spend up to 5-6 hours a day reading books and articles. Tim Cook starts his working day at 3:45 and sleeping until 4:30 is a luxury for him. Elon Musk always builds his daily schedule so all the most important stuff gets done in the first part of the day when he's still full of energy. Sometimes he likes to do 2 tasks at the same time. And there are good habits, bad habits, any habits really. The only difference is that they form our lifestyle, our days, and consequently our whole life. The only difference here is that some people have got a lot of bad habits in their daily life, other people have got a lot of good habits, and others just Elon Musk. Routine is one of the most powerful tools for creating habits, and removing the unessential. Without routine, distraction will overpower us. But if we create a routine, we will begin to execute things on autopilot. Instead of us consciously pursuing the essential, it will happen without us having to think about it. We won't have to expend precious energy every day prioritizing everything. We must simply expend a small amount of initial energy to create the routine, and then all that is left is to follow it. Habits can be absolutely different, from I want to start taking a shower when I wake up in the morning to I want to go for a jog at 6 in the morning, which is a more difficult one. And you can really pick from a lot of habits that can improve, or bad habits can damage your lifestyle, let's say. But I won't be like all those people saying that you have to start with only one habit at a time, because for me personally, I didn't find it difficult to start with 3 small things that I started doing every day. And then from there, thinking and analyzing my life, where I could improve it, and actually adding some more complex habits. Yeah, that's true. If harder habits, don't start with 3 or 4 at the same time, because you're most likely to give up and go back to your other lifestyle. So be really patient, but don't be scared to start with small 3 or 4 new routines that you want to change, because it's not that difficult, to be fair, and it really does improve your life. There is a huge body of scientific research to explain the mechanism by which routine enables difficult things to become easy. One simplified explanation is that as we rapidly do a certain task, with neurons or nerve cells make new connections through communication gateways called synapses. With repetition, the communication strengthens and it becomes easier for the brain to activate them, a process that explains it as how we walk from point A to B every day. We can eventually make the journey without consciously thinking about it. With repetition, routine is mastered and the activity becomes a second nature. Obviously, the only huge difference here is the way you put it. I want to go for a jog tomorrow morning, or I want to go for a jog for the rest of my life. Yeah, I know, it doesn't sound fun. And the system you are after, the discipline and the lifestyle you are chasing. Because a habit, it's more about how many times you do it, but not what habit is it actually. Although a habit means 2 things: the action itself and the repetition. Even the best thing ever, it's not gonna change your life or improve it in any ways if you only do it once. But it really depends upon the repetition and the fact that you do it every day, and then it's most likely to change your life.